globe turns into an eye, a marker turns into a broom, and your teacher turns into a witch? Are you scared? Right you are! Because these are Halloween classes in our school. The girls are ready for Halloween. They've decorated the classroom and are looking forward to the class, wallet, or treat. Today is the day when Miss Smith can put on the demon suit she wears at home and get away with it. And meanwhile, we will sneak in a little surprise in a chalk box for her. Cut the bellies of rubber snakes and take out the filler. Stick chalks inside. Put gift filler into an empty chalk box. Put the snakes on top. Christy sneaks the harmless-looking chalks onto the teacher's desk. Miss Smith is happy about this little gift. She is just trying to solve the puzzle on the blackboard. Miss Smith passes out when she sees the snakes in the gift. The girls run to the rescue. They didn't intend for their favorite teacher to have a heart attack. Here you go, Miss Smith. Sit down and have a rest. And the snakes are only cases for chalks so that you don't smudge your hands. Miss Smith doesn't understand what's going on. What's this all about? She totally forgot about Halloween. Since she brought up 2 vipers as her own, then it's time to show them what a real Halloween looks like. Ha! No pumpkin, no Halloween! Miss Smith has made a surprise for the girls. This spooky pumpkin is not that simple. It has only dark thoughts inside. Mix 8 bottles of white glue and 1 can of shaving foam. Add black acrylic paint and 1 teaspoon of baby powder. Pour in less than half an ounce of borax solution and 3½ ounces of baking soda solution. Mix a black slime. Put toy eyeballs in it. Cut a big pumpkin and scoop out the flesh. Paint the jack-o'-lantern with black acrylic paint. Put the slime inside. In a dark, dark school, in a dark, dark class, 2 little girls have found dark, dark slime. Hold on, this story is not that creepy. The black slime is very cute, even though there are toy eyeballs swimming in the slime bath. Because this is Halloween, anything can happen today. Even strict Miss Smith might turn into a witch. Why not? Halloween happens only once a year. Meet our upgraded teacher, Miss Switch. Miss Switch has had a taste of Halloween. Now she is capable of changing the entire world. But she will start with something smaller. For example, this globe. The teacher turns it into a bloody eye with a simple spell. Outline the continents on an old globe with hot glue. Spray paint the globe white. Paint a big eye where the Pacific Ocean is. Paint the iris red. Add black veins and a black pupil. Add details and flares. Coat the edges of the continents with red paint to look like blood vessels. This all-seeing evil eye watches the entire class. It turns 360 degrees and sees all the naughty students. For example, these girls who are on their phones instead of studying. The all-seeing eye is rolling right at you, little rascals. The girls are terrified. They are not used to seeing somebody's body parts on their desk. They are even afraid to touch this eye because poking an eye with your finger is not hygienic, even if the eye isn't yours. The girls want to prank Miss Switch with little ghosts while she is making a plan to conquer the world. Cut a template of a cute ghost out of paper. Trace it on white paper. Outline the eyes. Make a little group of ghosts. Cut open mouths out of magnetic tape. The girls attach the ghost to the blackboard. Wow! The school board's turned spooky! Miss Switch will come and get terrified of these white ghosts of science. Ha! You messed with the wrong person, girls! Miss Switch is not scared of ghosts anymore, let alone these cute paper ones. This prank is a fail. Literature class? Miss Switch is reading dark noir-styled poems. But the girls are not excited about such rhymes as lovely bloody. Then she will read for her little friend. Alas, poor Yorick. He will definitely like these poems. To learn or not to learn? That is the question. Cover an old ball-shaped open-top toy with light gray clay. Shape a skull. Make nostrils with a modeling tool and shape eye sockets. Add more dimension to the jaw at the bottom. Shape teeth. Cut the skull when the light clay hardens. Cut it along the line where it opens. Melt crayons of different red shades over a candle and pour them into a brain-shaped silicone mold. Put it into a fridge for 20 minutes to let it harden. Put the wax brain inside the skull. Cover the skull with white acrylic paint using a sponge. Don't paint the hollows though. Paint red cracks. Decorate the skull with a rose crown. Good old Yorick understands everything and agrees with everything. Oh, he is the best student in class. If only all the kids were so obedient and silent. But these rude students are busy playing games again. That's all right. My friend and I will discipline them. The girls shut up right away, and poor Yorick's brain is perfect for highlighting all their mistakes and writing down remarks. Discipline is the skeleton of education. Miss Switch is sneezing a lot. Her nose is falling apart. Hang on. This is a nice idea to prank her favorite students. Add green acrylic paint to clear stationery glue. Pour the colored glue back into the tube. Print out a label that says, "Witch Snot," and attach it to the tube with double-sided tape. Miss Switch sneezed so hard that she filled the entire tube with snot. Come on, kids! I want to help you with your paper crafts. What a cute heart! Achoo! Ew! That's disgusting! She is more than just a teacher. She's a torturer. And Miss Switch has a present for Cindy. Here, take a witch broom. Cut bristles off a stiff brush. Hot glue them to a cap of a marker. Wrap it with twine to look like a real broom. Make the handle longer. Hot glue a wooden stick to the marker. Cover the handle with hot glue. Dampen your hands with water to make the glue smooth. Paint the handle of the broom. Cindy is gladly sweeping the entire desk, but this is more than just a broom. There is a marker hiding inside. Miss Switch is happy. Her students are perfectly obedient. Miss Switch has a little helper. The Cyclops eye can watch the girls while the teacher is busy with her witch affairs. Cover a ball-shaped pencil sharpener with white acrylic paint. Draw a circle on it. Paint a green eye with acrylic paints and add white flares. Draw blood vessels and veins with a red marker. Coat the eyeball with clear nail polish. Cover it with light clay. Shape lids. Make a hole to insert a pencil. Coat the lids with acrylic paints. Stick black bristles to be the lashes. The Cyclops gets closer to the girls' desk without them noticing. They feel like somebody is watching them, but they can't figure out who it is. Oh, what is this? Somebody set their eyes on our girls. But Cindy understands that the situation is not that bad, because this is just a pencil sharpener. The girls sharpen their pencil in the wink of an eye. Miss Switch took advantage of her advanced witch course. She can do anything she wants with her new book of spells. A vanishing glove and notebooks are just the tip of the iceberg. A creative trick with a finger is still ahead. Wrap a red ballpoint pen refill with light clay. Shape a slightly bent finger. Make wrinkles on it with a thread. Use a toothpick to outline the nail. When it hardens, paint the light clay finger in natural shades. Do acrylic French. Cover the nail with clear nail polish. Make the other side look like the finger is torn off. Paint a white bone and red flesh. Add details. Miss Switch runs to the girls with her witch show. You can only surprise first graders with this trick. Then Miss Switch turns on the special effects. Do you like the teacher's torn off finger? The witch magician goes away, satisfied with the effect, and the girls figure out quickly that this is more than just a finger, it's a pen! The riddle is solved! Did you like our Halloween ideas for school? Then write in the comments how you will terrify your classmates! And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new Halloween classes on Troom.